I like these wire baskets, so I took a couple of the trash cans from Dollar Tree and kind of bent one of them and cut it down a little bit, make it a little shorter. Not as short as the smaller wire baskets they have, and so it's between that and the tall trash can. And then I took another trash can and cut a section off, and then bent, as you can see, the circle around the top, that thick wire, I bent it down to give this a little shape, and then it'll hang on a wall like this for a ladder I'm working on. Then I also cut out these diamond shapes just to make it more interesting. There's a couple more there, and I wrapped some twine around them. Now, I might add a hook if I hang it on a wall, but this is going to go on my ladder, so for right now, that's the way I want it. Then I took the twine and wrapped it around my hand about 25 times, and then I tied it, and then you have all your loops, and then I cut it, and I'll be hanging those on the top here. I think that's going to be pretty cool. And this is, like I said, for a ladder that I just made. Also, I took this basic basket. This one was gray. I don't know if they have white, but I'm sorry, this was tan. So I just sprayed it white and then added flowers and added a little color. I think it makes it a little more unique to add. It's like a ribbon kind of, and this I got at Hobby Lobby for 50 cents. And I just cut out a lemon out of some fabric that I'm using to decorate my vintage tray.